Hello, my name is William Agnew, and I'm presenting our paper, The Values Encoded in Machine Learning Research, co-authored with Abeba Birhane, Ria Kalluri, Dallas Card, Ravit Dotan, and Michelle Bao. In this paper, we explore what machine learning research is doing by investigating what machine learning papers value. We read and annotated the top 100 most cited papers in ropes and ICML. We noted the justification and connection to societal problems and broader impacts in these papers. In addition, we also annotated for any terms or values these papers uplifted and any discussion of potential negative impacts of the research. We found that most papers make no mention of societal needs or broader impacts. Those that do rarely make rigorous connections with citations and detailed arguments. In addition, we found that 98% of papers have no mention of potential negative impacts of their research. We also annotated what papers value by first iterating on a list of properties that papers consider desirable or undesirable. For example, in the sentence, speed is considered desirable in an antelope, speed is a value because it is uplifted in the sentence. We then added several user rights and ethical principles values to this value list. Finally, we annotated the 100 papers for the values in this list. Here we present the percentage of papers containing each value. We found that the top values are performance, generalization, building on past work, quantitative evidence, efficiency, and novelty, all occurring in a strong majority of papers. In contrast, we found that the user rights and ethical principles values in blue and orange were among the least frequent, all appearing less than about 10% of the time. Finally, we contextualize the values of these papers by analyzing their author affiliations and funding ties. Comparing papers written in 2008 and 2009 to those written in 2018 and 2019, ties to corporations nearly doubled to 79% of all annotated papers, while ties to universities declined to 81%, putting the presence of corporations nearly on par with those of universities. In addition, we found that the percentage of papers with big tech author affiliations increased over fivefold from 11% in 2008 and 2009 to 58% in 2018 and 2019. Returning to the overarching need that we aim to contribute through this study, we present this paper in part to make visible the present nature of the field and to demonstrate its contingent nature. It could be otherwise. For individuals, communities, and institutions wading through difficult to pin down values of the field, as well as those striving towards alternative values, it is useful to have a characterization of the field as it is now, a validating map for understanding, shaping, dismantling, or transforming what is, and for articulating and bringing about alternative visions. Thank you.